How to show you're listening to Spotify on Discord. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can show that you're listening to Spotify on Discord. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Discord app. And now, as you can see, if I just tap on my name here where it says Tips for Noobs, you'll see that I've got a Spotify logo next to my username, but it's not actually showing the music that I'm playing or if I'm listening to Spotify at all. So what I'll do is I'll just head over to the Spotify app. Then I'll just start playing this song. Then if I go back to Discord, you'll see now it shows that I'm listening to Spotify and it tells you what song I'm actually listening to. So the way to actually set this up is if you go to your user settings and then click on connections. Here you need to set up Spotify as a connection. So as you can see, I've already got this one set up and I've got it to display on my profile checked, and display Spotify as your status is also checked. Now if you don't already have this set up, you click on add at the top right hand corner. And you scroll down and you choose your connection as Spotify. So tap on Spotify and then it'll ask you to log in as Spotify. And then when you're in the Discord app and you're listening to Spotify at the same time, you're then able to show what you're listening to on Spotify. And that's all it takes to show you're listening to Spotify on Discord. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.